Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here again. Today we're going to be making a chocolate kiss cookies. This I am just preparing my dry ingredients. The recipe will be in the description box. So this is a perfect treat for Christmas, and you can, if you're hosting a Christmas party or you're trying to create a gift basket for a friend, colleagues, families, this is something very easy that you could just easily whip up. So once I'm done with this, I'm adding the egg yolk. I'm going to be adding the vanilla and milk and mix. These are easy, simple steps. You can't go wrong with it. You follow the exact description. You can't go wrong with this. So this is very easy, and it's also fun to make. So I'm adding the dry ingredients here. I am going to keep mixing until I get this consistency where it is all perfectly mixed up. Here you go. So once this is done, we are going to roll this into a ball, sorry. So I am using a cookie scoop here. I would change to another type of method. So I'm just going to roll this into a ball. Then I roll this into my bowl of nonpareil sprinkles. Those tiny ones that look like balls, but they're very tiny. So once I do that, I put them on my lined tray, just like that. So I'm moving to my 1 tablespoon. I scoop some in and I roll in my hand like a ball, and that's just it. It's very easy. The kids can also help you do this. The kids also love it. Adults love it as well. So it's a good it's a nice treat, a homemade nice treat. So I'll pop this in the oven, then I'll bring it back once I'm done. So this is it from the oven. So immediately I will be adding my chocolate. It kind of like melted a little bit, but it hardened over time. So if you are okay with that, that's fine. If you want to wait like a minute or 2 to 3 minutes before you add your chocolate, that's fine. So I did mine over time. It melted a little bit because it was hot, but it firmed up a little bit. So I was just trying my hands out on this type of chocolate, and it was good. I love the crunchy effect. So this is it. Very easy, very simple, and I hope you do try it. If you have any questions, put in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.